Alright guys, it's JR, the PC surgeon. I'm going to show you how to diagnose a bad motherboard or a bad DC jack for that matter. In this one, it's a gateway computer, gateway motherboard, and we have the plug-in type jack here where you have the DC jack come here, the leads are soldered on, and then this runs to this plug right here. In a lot of motherboards, the DC jack is actually soldered onto the board, but the same process applies, okay? So the first thing we got to do is make sure our charger's okay. So in a gateway charger, such a small pin, my leads don't fit in there, so you got to use a paper clip. So we'll connect the negative side here. So I got it on there. Touch the paper clip, and you can see in the voltmeter, it's this guy right here, that we got 19 volts, which is what the charger runs at, okay? So we know the charger's good. Then plug your DC jack in. Now we got to touch the leads here, so we're touching positive, then negative, if I can get it to hold. It's kind of hard to do it for the camera. Oh, come on. Press this guy down. There we go. You can see the voltmeter, the red box there in the background, 19.5. So that means the power is coming from the charger through the DC jack to these wires. And these wires are, 10 out of 10 times pretty much going to be good. They're not going to be broken. And it comes to this plug. And then I can show you the leads that are on the motherboard right here, that we're going to get 19 volts there too. So we'll touch there, I can stay on, touch here, and there you go, you got 19 volts coming onto the motherboard. So we know the board's bad, because if you had a bad processor, you're still going to get some fans to spin, some lights to come on, and on this computer it's a no power issue, meaning you press the power button and nothing happens whatsoever. So the charger's good, the DC jack's good, we have power to the board. It's a dead board. A bad hard drive, a bad CD drive, a bad fan, a bad screen, it's not going to cause that. So we know it's a board. Hopefully that helps some of you out, and have a nice day. Thanks.